Hello, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ kú ìjókòó. This is Easy to Learn Yoruba Phonics Part 3 by Abeke Adebayo. We have been able to go through 2 lessons before this one, and they are all on YouTube. Please check out our Part 1 and 2 for the introductory part of the phonics lesson. Yoruba Phonics Part 3 lesson will cover Àmì orí ọ̀rọ̀, which is the Yoruba tonal sign, DoReMi, that actually gives our words meaning. We will also take 3-letter words. These are points to remember that we have already covered in our Part 1 and 2. The Yoruba vowels are A, E, I, O, U. That is A, E, I, O, U. The DoReMi signs are the tonal signs, and they are usually marked on the vowels. For example, look at this Yoruba. You will see that there are some marks on them, on the vowels, these 2 vowels, U and A. The Do sign goes from up, down, from the left, down. The Re signs, usually we don't apply any sign for Re, like you have in Yoruba here. No sign on it. While the Mi is from down, up, towards the right. And as I've mentioned before, these tonal signs are usually put on the vowel. The low tone, that's the Do sign, is a low tone and is indicated by a grave accent. And this is how it usually appears on A. Take it from up, down, from the left side, down. A, and that is the way we put the sign. The Re is usually the mid-tone and it's not marked. It's depicted by an absence of any accent. The Mi sign is from down, up, towards the right. The tone is marked with an acute accent. Now, to actually practicalize it, to bring it out so that we can actually see how these signs affect the words. Here we have A, J, A, and we sound it Aja, which means dog. Aja. How do I know this sign? Is by sounding it in. Some people use a drum. When you hear a drum sound, it will sound but you can use your inner voice to sound it. That is the easiest way. So that when you want to read the Yoruba word, you will use your inner tone to sound it. If I see this word and I want to sound it, I will know that this is Re, this is Mi. Therefore, I will call it Aja. Re, Mi, Aja. This is Do, Re, Aga. Do, Re, Aga. Aga, Do, Re. And this is Do, Mi. Do, Mi. The sign is Do, Mi. A, Da. A, Da. A, Da. Do, Mi. A, Ja. Re, Mi. Aga, Do, Re. Ada, Do, Mi. Here we have another one. The sign on it is reading re, mi, e, de, re, mi. If you use your inner sound to sound it, you will hear e, de, re, mi. This is ete, do, do. Ete, do, do. That's the lip. Ete, do, do. That's the sound on it. Here again, we have another re, mi, which is ewe, ede, ewe, ete. You see, you can easily hear the sound. Just sound it in. When you see the sound like this, when you see the word, you sound it in. Ewe, ewe, that is leave. I have here re, re. The sign here, there is no sign. That is eye, 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 re, re. There's no sign on it, so I'll sound it eye, ese. That is redo, ese. And look at this. The three signs are here. That is ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, remido, ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, remido. That is a pig. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, remido. Here I have a word without a sign again. They are both having silent sign. That is rere, igi, igi. You see, no tone. Igi, rere. Or if you sound it inside with your inner tone, you have rere, rere. Ilé, remi, ilé, remi, ìgbín, dòmí. You see, dòmí, ìgbín, dòmí, ìgbín, dòmí. Here I have remi. The sign on this word is remi. So how do I sign this? Owó, owó, remi, owó, remi. That is money. Here I have odo, remi. You see the sound of owó, odo, you can see is the same sign on it, on the same sound. Owó, odo, remi, remi, it will produce the same sound. Owó, remi, odo, remi. And here I have the three signs again. Ológbò, remido. If you remember, we used these three signs to sign ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, which is pig. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, remido. Ológbò, remido. The signs are the same, and they bring out the words. Ọwọ́, remi, ọwọ́, remi. Ọ̀bọ, dòre, ọ̀bọ, dòre. Ọwọ́, remi, ọ̀bọ, ọ̀bọ, dòre. And here we have ọ̀pọ̀lọ́, dòdòmí, mm, 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 mm. Do, mi. That sounds for, that's the frog. Ọ̀pọ̀lọ́, ọ̀pọ̀lọ́. This one, the sign here is do. Ìlù, do. You sound it inside with your inner tone. Ìlù. Iṣu, rere. Iṣu, rere, no sign. And here the neck is ọrùn, redo. Ọrùn, redo. That's no tone. Is do. Ọrùn, redo. That's the neck. Iṣu, that is rere. That is yam. Ìlù, that's the drum.